Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to convert feet to millimeters. This is one of the most common unit measurement used in engineering, construction, manufacturing, industrial applications and in everyday life. So here in this we will first see the factor, then we will see the formula, and after that we will see the example. So see here conversion factor is 1 foot is equal to 304.8 millimeters okay. And so here see formula is is equal to foot, or you can call it feet, into 304.8. okay. So now we will see the example here. So let's we convert the 2 foot into here. So here is equal to 2 into 304.8. so from that we will get here value as 609.6 okay. That's all you need to convert feet to Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.